Here we come to the elevator here at Bricktown in Oklahoma City. We'll go down to C. That was actually really fast. There's the canal. Let's go up to 1. Here we are at 1. Interesting. Let's go back down to C. There's a cab view. Here we are at C. Let's go back up to 1. Here we are back up at 1. I have something cool to show you. We're gonna go down to S. Capacity is 2,000 pounds, by the way. That must have been the shortest elevator ride ever. Let's go up to 1. It took longer to level than it did to travel from the street up to the first floor. That must have taken like 3 seconds tops. Anyways, there it goes. And that's it.